Hey guys, welcome back. So one of the comments mentioned, get this guy a headlamp. I have several of these headlamps. In fact, I think I had like 4 or 5 of them. Anyway, they work awesome. I'm not promoting their crap. Anyway, what we got is pretty simple stuff on this one. The customer wanted to do a check engine light, which we found a bad knock sensor in, and then just an overall maintenance check. And he needs new front brakes now. Let me show you what we're working with. We got a 2023 with 54,000 miles on it. This guy does some towing. So let's look at the rotors. Now, the rotors look like they're in pretty good shape. But the pads, on the other hand, are wearing out. And they're wearing uneven. So I know that these caliper slides right here probably need a little bit of love, a little bit of attention. So another thing that we're going to do on this is add the block heater cord, and that's the main reason for this video. So I'm going to show you one thing that I find that just irks me all the time. Anytime I get into working on one of these where somebody else has been in, and you find that the push pin fasteners are all missing. Now, I've said it before, I'm going to say it again. People who don't take the time to either remove those without breaking them, and there's a special tool for that, or don't get new push pin fasteners to put back in there, it is lazy, and I don't like it. It's an incomplete job, and it shows that you're incompetent, or at least you don't give a crap about the kind of work that you put out. So I'm gonna stop that rant right here, but I'm gonna get that wheel liner out, and then I'm gonna show you where all Cummins engines already have the block heater. All you have to do is buy the cord and then install it. So stick with me. So we got the wheel liner out. I want you to see that right there. That is the block heater, and it's got a cap on it. So we're going to get that cap off, get the new block heater cord ran, and I'll show you a little bit after we get that cord ran. And by the way, that right there is the part number for the block heater cord. Alright, so the proper routing comes down into the inside of the frame, up and around, back down through the tow hook bezel, and then underneath and clips in right there. Kind of a pain in the butt. You got a whole lot of things you're trying to fit through tight spaces and things like to grab, but you can get her done. But just so you know, on a Cummins, your block heater is already installed. You just need to put the cord on. So, little tip for you guys. Anyway, I'm going to shut this one off for now. I'm going to do the front brake job on this dually. And then I'm also going to bleed the brakes out. And anyway, have a good one. You know, hit the like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. And talk to you again on the next one.